Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account with 2FA, browser or Gemini app updated, and basic permissions enabled. Next, sign in and choose the mode, text, voice, or multimodal, based on your task. Once done, set a clear goal and context in one concise sentence so Gemini understands intent. Make sure to set tone and length preferences. This guides responses. Finally, prepare any files or links you'll upload. Having them ready speeds the first actionable prompt. You craft prompts that combine context, constraints, and desired format, include sample outputs or bullet templates to guide Gemini. Then, specify the role, editor, developer, tutor, and set parameters like length and style. This reduces ambiguity. Once Gemini responds, evaluate structure and ask for targeted edits or expansions. Make sure to use follow-up prompts to narrow scope or request step-by-step breakdowns. If multimodal, reference uploaded images or files directly, and ask Gemini to cite specific elements for clarity. You finalize outputs by asking Gemini to revise, format, and produce final deliverables. Use commands like shorten, add headers, or convert to code block. Then export results by copying, downloading, or using integration options. Verify formatting and run any code or checks locally. Once satisfied, save prompts you may reuse as templates. If Gemini goes off track, the key troubleshooting step is to reset context and provide a minimal, explicit prompt with examples. This usually realigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.